Introducing Skills Labs at Stepful. Skills Labs are a key component of the medical assistant program. They're designed to help you learn hands-on clinical skills as you make your way through our curriculum. Every medical assistant student at Stepful will receive a clinical kit. This clinical kit will be delivered right to your door, and it comes at no additional cost. In it, you'll find everything you'll need to complete your skills labs. You'll learn essential clinical skills like administering injections, performing venipuncture, capillary puncture, taking oral temperature, taking blood pressure, and so much more. You'll practice alongside your instructor in guided lessons, and then submit a graded assignment to get personalized feedback. To ensure you're prepared, you'll complete a required lab safety module and sign a waiver before your kit ships. The kit will include personal protective equipment, and each kit is sealed in tamper-evident packaging for your safety. Skills Labs do not replace your externship. They're designed to help you gain confidence in your clinical skills before ever stepping foot in a clinical setting. Enroll today to be one of our first students to get a clinical kit.